Hello everybody, my name is Ben, also known as Scorpio, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be looking at the LifeSmart Cololight. Firstly, I've got to tell you that this product was sent to me for testing, however all thoughts and opinions are my own as this is not a sponsored or endorsed video. This was the first time I've heard about this product, so I really wasn't sure what to expect in terms of quality, size and even sort of what it does, so I was quite interested to find out all of those things in this video. I was initially surprised by how small the box was, but this is only the 3-piece version. There is bigger ones on their website, I believe, so it includes 3 of the light panels and the base as well. Similarly with the Nanoleaf light panels I unboxed in my last video, this product can also be controlled with a mobile device as well as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. As you can see from the sleek looking box here, it boasts 60 million colours to choose from, as well as dynamic effects and lots of customization options too. So now it's time to take a look in the box and see what's inside. It's no surprise that the first item out of the box, of course, is the little instruction manual. Just taking a quick look at this, we've got stuff like product information as well as the installation instructions and so on. As you'll see, there's quite a lot to look through. So now it's time to move on from the instruction manual and take a close-up look at the box and how these modules actually look. I was quite surprised with how thick these modules are, but they do feel like they've got quite a good build quality and they look quite sleek too. As you can see on the back there, they've got the little connections which we'll come back to later. So as I mentioned previously, the package that was sent out to me included 3 of these panels and they can all connect together in various ways. As you can see, one of the panels came pre-installed with the power connector, but I believe you can take this off and change it around if you needed to, but there's no reason in this case. As you can tell there as well, it's also just a USB connection. Also included in this box was this piece of paper, or something. I'm not actually sure what it does, so if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments because I have no idea. And last but not least, there was another little package in the bottom, which is the stand and the connectors. So the package includes 3 of the connectors, and as you can see there's plenty of options on the back for you to connect in any direction that you want. The last thing out of the packaging is this plastic stand. It definitely does the job, but it does, in my opinion, feel very lightweight and cheaply made. As you would expect, connecting the panels together is really easy with these little connectors. You simply pop it in one side and then clip it to another module. Once you've configured the panels as you wish, you can simply pop them on the stand and you're ready to go. Simply plug in the USB port and the panels will light up. As I mentioned near the beginning of the video, there is also a mobile app you can use. It comes with plenty of presets, as you can see here. Interesting names for some of them, but they're actually really cool. I'll show you a few at the end of this video. And if you just wanted standard colours, you can just swipe to the right and you've got another selection of just basic colours here. As well as this, there's plenty of customization options for you to make your own themes and plenty you can download as well. When I first plugged these in, I was blown away with how vibrant the colours were. It's one of those things, again, I just really wasn't expecting that much from these, but I'm seriously impressed. Everything is made so easy. It's so simple just to swap things around and customize it how you like, or use the phone app to change the colours, or even just talk to Alexa or Google Assistant. Once again, a huge thank you to Cololight for sending me these out to test. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not affiliated with the company at all, so all of these opinions and thoughts are my own. If you're interested in the product, I have popped the link in the description to the website, so go and have a look for yourself. Thank you very much for watching as always. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at scorpio.exe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.